Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about migrating to Nextcord and slash commands. So let's get started. So first thing we are gonna do is we are gonna change all Discord to Nextcord. As you can see, I actually planned this out. Oh my god. Oops. So we're just gonna replace all Discord with Nextcord, and then we're gonna go to Pi project and then check something. So it's gonna say that I have it because I already installed it. So if you are in Replit like me, go Python 3 and poetry, or just poetry. I usually do Python 3 and minus m poetry, but anyways, poetry add Nextcord. Actually no, git plus, and then the link in here I'm gonna leave it, the link to that down below. You're just gonna do this, but since it's already installed for me, it's really not gonna do anything besides just like telling me that's already there and everything, so let's ignore that. So this will be basically it for the simple Nextcord slash Nextcord commands migrating to it. You can create any command you want, but anyways, now let's go over the slash commands. Okay, so from actually I don't think we need to import something for this tutorial. Yeah, no, we don't. But in Next and Ben we probably will. But anyway, now, so I'm gonna say something. If you are gonna use slash commands, then you are not gonna use ctx. You're actually gonna use interaction because that is recommended. Or you could just do ctx Nextcord interaction if you don't want to change anything, and that's what we are gonna do because I'm kind of a lazy dude. And also I want to say something. There is no client.command, it's actually client.slash-command, and in order for these commands to work you have to put a name and description in them. So name equal test, the name of this command, and description equal let's go for testing. So same thing here, and there cannot be aliases until Discord API adds that as a feature. Anyways, name equal ping, description equal client latency. So you can actually do This is very simple to do. But I'm just, so you need to do something, and that's round. You will probably you've probably heard of that if you watch my Python tutorials. I think I might leave a tutorial for knowing round here. But anyways, also ctx Nextcord dot interaction. So let's try to run this here. Nah, that's nothing. Okay, now it finally loaded. So as you can see now, I am in my server. So this in slash commands, it actually takes some time to register all the slash commands, and now I'll be back when they are registered, because this usually takes about a few hours or something like that. So another thing that you should do is you should do this here, because this will install Nextcord in the master branch, using the master branch, and that is where the slash commands actually are. So we can just wait here while it starts, and as you can see, it even says so here, rev equal master. So make sure it is like that. Alright. Okay, so let's try running this, and restarting this. So, and as you can tell, it's still not here, and again, it actually takes some time to register, or actually it's because, so guys, I have realized something. So when I was telling you that it takes time, something important, you should do bot and application commands. So let me add administrator and copy this. Then I'm gonna re-invite it here. Oh yeah, I'm done. Okay, so I have re-invited the bot, and as you can see, it actually did not take any time here. So let's click this, and then we're gonna enter, and then what's gonna come here is just bring out everything now. So why didn't ping work though? It's because we actually didn't do slash command for it, and that's why this is actually important. So now let's run this now. Let's run this bot, and then we're back in Discord, and as you can see, so what? So I'm gonna fix it, but if you are actually making this a private bot, then you could actually do something called guilds. Actually, this is not not needed, but I'm kind of lazy, so I'm gonna get this the guild ID of my server right now. Copy ID. If you actually don't see it, then you're gonna go in settings, and then actually user settings, then you're gonna scroll down here. You're gonna scroll down here and click advanced, and then you should see developer mode here. But anyways, let's escape. And sorry about that, but I put my guild ID now. You're probably gonna wonder why there comes out these weird sounds. I'm actually religious. I'm a Muslim. I'm not even afraid to say that. So if you're just gonna comment down some hate on me or anything, then honestly I'll just probably delete that. But anyways, let's get back. So guild, this is gonna make commands work faster in the guild, but it will not work on other it won't work on other server. It won't work on other servers. So you're gonna add this here, guild IDs equal guilds, or you're gonna add a list of your guild, but I recommend this way because so that you don't need to copy paste everything. You could just type guilds in and that's it. But anyways, guild IDs equal guilds, and then I'm gonna restart this again. Okay, so we are back in Discord, and as you can see now there's ping now. Ignore the fact that there's actually two of them, and bam, now there is this screen here, and as you can probably tell, it's fast. It's like pretty fast. One of them is an imposter. 1 second. Oh, I guess this is the imposter here. Okay. Well, now that is pretty much it. So I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.